So you grew rapidly and you kind of got to now a steady state of orders and so forth, right? What was kind of the next challenge that you had to overcome after you got the manufacturing squared away? And then is it timing the inventory? What was the next worry that you had to work through?
I would say, because you did touch on, I'd say one of our biggest obstacles, like you said, was the waste rate that we had with our first mold. And then once they got the manufacturing process down and we invested in this better piece of equipment, it did eliminate, because that was a bottleneck in our company for a period of time. But I would say for Jane and I now, because our company is growing, like you said, it's a steady state of orders, but we are seeing consistent organic growth month over month. We are never stagnant. We continue to grow.
You don't have to wait till your dad walks in and slides the check on that desk anymore.
Thank
right?
God.
Best thing
And
ever.
you know what else the best part about it is? People pay you when they place the order, right? So, you know, all the stuff that we had to do about waiting on receivables and all that.
Right.
Receivables don't exist. Not
Completely
the way
different
we're
business model here.
Completely
right?
different.
Yeah.
We love manufacturing. Let's just put it that way. It's great, right? I feel like the Lord saved us just up for this because we're very grateful. But I would say as Jane and I are growing, you have to understand you can have a good idea, but it doesn't necessarily make you a good business owner or person. And you have to be able to maintain growth and know how to put processes into place. And I think that's been the thing for us.